So there's one study where they simulated a jury and they gave the jurors a common set of facts. Okay, so you say you need to assess the guilt of this criminal defendant, and they gave two groups of people the same set of facts. The only thing that was different was in the first group, the defendant's name was Robert Garner, and in the second group, the defendant's name was Roberto Garcia. And so when the jurors deliberated in the morning, they made the same decisions about these defendants. But when they deliberated in the afternoon, the jurors were more likely to exonerate Garner and convict Garcia on the same set of facts. So we're just, again, our cognitive abilities aren't the same. And so when there's this decrement to our cognitive abilities, we're hasty, we're lazy, we take shortcuts, we don't deliberate, and we can make different and often worse decisions. There's a famous study out of Israel about judges making parole decisions, huge differences based on time of day and whether a judge grants parole or not. And so, like you have literally like it's 5-6x difference if your parole hearing is first thing in the morning or immediately after a judge's break. The difference in many cases, between having a parole hearing right before the judge has her break and right after the judge has her break, okay? That's like probably a 7-to-1 difference. In one case, before the break, you have about a 10% chance of getting parole. After the break, you had about a 70% chance of getting parole. So again, there are these, time is at some level invisible, right? Like time is an abstract notion. We don't see time, right? You and I don't see time on our screen right here, but it is pervasive and it has this effect on what we do, how we do it, that is profound. And if we're awake to it, if we make it visible, we can do a little bit better.